Hello Year 4. Now we've just finished a unit on decimals, so today we are starting a new unit on money. Now in this unit we will be writing money in pounds and pence using a decimal point like we just looked at. We will be ordering, adding and subtracting amounts of money. We will be rounding money to the nearest 10p or the nearest pound. We will be finding change and we will be solving simple word problems involving money. Now these are just a quick recap of what you will have done before with money, so we can move on from there. So, do you know how to work out how much money there is? Remember, we add the pounds first and then the pence. So here I can see there's £5 there, £2 there, and £1 there. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's £8 altogether. And then I have 50p, 2 10p's, a 5p and a 2p. So that's 50, 60, 70p, 75p, then 76, 77 pence. So that's £8 and 77 pence. Now, we'll be looking at certain maths words as well. So this is some of the vocabulary that we'll be using as we move through this unit. So we have notes. Now notes are these. You have a £5 note, a £10 note, a £20 note. We also get a £50 note, okay? And we have coins. Now these are coins, okay? Small bits of metal, £2, £1, 50p. We also get 20p, 10p, 5p, 2p, and 1p. You have pounds and pence, okay? We'll be adding, we'll be subtracting, we'll be learning to find something called change. We'll be rounding to the nearest 10p or the nearest pound. We've done rounding before. We'll be ordering amounts of money using greater than and less than. We'll be using words like cheaper, more expensive, estimate, overestimate, underestimate, total, and notation. Now, when I said add and subtract earlier, to add and subtract, we will be using the column method here, which is shown just here. So remember to use your hundreds, tens and ones to do that. Here we're adding 56 pence, so that's represented as 5 tens and 6 ones, and 89 pence, 8 tens and 9 ones. So these are added together, the ones first, then the tens exchanging into the next column, to make 145 pence. Now this, therefore, is 100 pence, which is a pound, and 45 pence. So that's £1 and 45 pence. So today, Year 4, we're starting by looking at pounds and pence. Now to do that, I've given you a key at the bottom of the screen, and that's going to be at the bottom of every screen that we look at to do with money. Now for Discover, we have Bella, and Bella has lots of coins on her table, okay? Question A is, how much money does Bella have in pence? So just pence. B, how much money does Bella have in pounds and pence? So you will need to do some conversion. Okay, so let's go through share. Our first question was, how much money does Bella have in pence? So what this boy decided to do was that he decided to circle the coins which he knew would make 100 pence. So he knows that 50p, add 50p, these two 50p's here, add together to make 100 pence. And then he's gone and looked for some more coins that would add together to make 100 pence. And he's picked out the 20p, the 20p, and the 20p, and the 10p, 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 and 10p. So he's got all of those coins together, and added together, they make 100 pence. And then he's added together what was left over. So there was 2 10p's, 2 5p's, 2 2p's, and 2 1p's. And they all add together to make 36p. So altogether, Bella has 100 pence, and 100 pence and 36 pence. So that makes 236 pence. So altogether, Bella had 236 pence. Now for part B. So there's a little hint down here which says that, remember, 100 pence is equal to £1. So if Bella has 236 pence, we can split that into 100 pence, 100 pence, and 36 pence as we did earlier. Now, if there is 200 pence there, that makes that £2, with 36 pence left over. So that makes £2 and 36 pence. Now we use a decimal point here to separate the whole pounds, the £2, from the pence, the 36 pence. So Bella has £2 and 36 pence. Okay, now let's have a go at Think Together. So for Think Together, we have got Lexi, and Lexi has been counting the money that she's got, and here it is. So your task is this. How much money does Lexi have in pence only? How much money does Lexi have in pounds and in pence? And then showing this using a pound sign and a decimal point. Now remember, if we're writing it like this with the pound sign and the decimal point, we don't need to use that P for pence. Okay, have a go. Okay, let's go through this. So what I decided to do was I decided to take out sort of a pound at a time, 100 pence at a time. So I started with, you guessed it, the pound. So I've taken that out, and that's my pound there. And remember, that's 100 pence. I've tried to find another pound now. So I've gone for the two 50p's just here. That's 50p and 50p, which is £1. Now, taking out another pound. So I got 50p, two 20s and a 10. Now a 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, plus 10 pence is another pound. Then I decided to go for all of the 5p's. So 5, 10, 15 pence. And then I went with the coppers, what's left over. So the 2p, 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 and 1p, which added together makes 9p. So that means I've got 15 pence there and 9 pence, which is 24 pence. And those £3 added together is £3, which is 300 pence. So Lexi has 324 pence altogether. So how much money does she have in pounds and pence? Well, she has £3, we saw that earlier, and 24 pence. And if I write that using a pound sign and a decimal point, it looks like this, £3.24. Okay? Question 2. How much money is in this purse here? Now, here's all the coins, so how much money is there? Good luck. Okay, let's go through this. So, again, I decided to take out as many pounds as I could. Remember to add the pounds first. So, I knew there were £3 coins, that makes £3. I went with the 20p's next, that's the next biggest. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 80, and another 20p. Now that makes £1. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 5 lots of 20p is £1, is 100 pence. So we've got 3 lots of 5p, which add together to make 15 pence. And then we have 1 lot of 2 pence, which is of course just 2p. So to find out how much money there is in the purse altogether, we need to add these together. Now I've got £3 at a pound is £4, and then 15, 16, 17p. So what I've got is £4 and 17 pence. So when you've finished your practice book, take a look at the challenge and have a go if you feel up to it. Okay, good luck.